Do you ever wonder where your salary went by the end of the month? Do you tell yourself every single month, I will definitely start saving next month, but it never actually happens? You might think you can't save because your salary is too small, but that's not true. Whether you earn a little or a lot, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to save money from your very next paycheck. Saving is a huge part of the journey to financial freedom. So, make sure to watch this video until the very end. On payday, we all feel like kings. But 2 weeks later, we're left asking, where is my money? The truth is, we struggle to save not just because of the economy, but because of our financial habits. Today, we aren't just talking about hiding money away. We are talking about changing your mindset, learning to think like a wealthy person, and making the most of every cent you earn. At the end of this video, I will give you a magic formula. If you follow it, you will never have to worry about an empty bank account at the end of the month again. First, let's look at why we fail to save. There are 4 main traps. Lifestyle creep. If our salary goes up by $100, we often add $120 in new expenses. Increasing your spending as soon as you earn more is the biggest trap. Invisible leaks, that daily milk tea, extra data packages, or app subscriptions you don't use. These look like small $1 or $2 costs, but they add up to a huge amount by the end of the month. Social pressure. We see someone with a new phone or new clothes and try to match them. Often, we spend money we don't have to impress people we don't even like. Inflation. As prices go up, the value of your money goes down. In today's world, just keeping money isn't enough. And most people also make the mistake of trying to save what is left over at the end of the month. But by then, the money is already gone. We spend without a plan and forget to set aside money for emergencies. So, how do we fix this? I'm going to share a method used by top financial experts. It's called the 50-30-20 rule. This rule was made famous by Elizabeth Warren. It's very simple. You divide your salary income into 3 parts. 50% for needs, things you must have to survive. 30% for wants, things you spend on to enjoy life. 20% for savings and debt, money for your future. Bucket 1. 50% for needs. These are non-negotiable. If you don't pay these, your life stops. Rent/mortgage. Utilities. Electricity, water, internet. Basic groceries, not fancy dining. Essential transport and medicine. Bucket 2. 30% for wants. This is your lifestyle budget. You can be happy, but you must be disciplined. Dining out and movies. Netflix/Spotify. Hobbies and shopping. Expert tip. If you are struggling, cut this bucket first, not your savings. Bucket 3. 20% for savings and financial goals. This is the most important bucket. This is the money that buys your future. Emergency fund, your safety net. Debt repayment, crushing high-interest credit cards. Investing, putting your money to work in stocks, gold, or business. Let's look at an example. Imagine your monthly salary is $1,000. If you do this for just 1 year, you will have $2,400 in savings. And that's before you even add the interest you earn from the bank. Knowing the rule isn't enough, you have to take action. Here is how to succeed. Automate it. As soon as you get your salary, move that 20% to a separate bank account immediately. Don't wait. Track everything. Use an app or a notebook to write down every expense for 1 month. You will be surprised to see where your money goes. Be honest. Don't confuse a want with a need. A new phone is a want, not a need. See? Saving isn't actually that hard. It's just about managing your salary correctly. Try the 50-30-20 rule starting today. Within 3 months, you will see a massive change in your finances. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Comment below and tell me, what is the hardest thing for you to save money on? See you in the next video on Wise Coin Buddy.